Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your Potomac Beads Best Bead Box Treasure Edition for August 2023. And I just want to do a blanket apology to everybody that, you know, things are very, I'm very behind in everything right now because of the pinched nerve in my neck. July was kind of a wash for me, so I didn't get that much done. So, you know, as the days progress, I'm doing so much better and I can't wait to share a whole bunch of tutorials with you. You know, they're slow coming, but they're coming. All right, so let's take a look at this box. Okay, so for those of you who aren't familiar with the Potomac Beads Best Bead Boxes, these are subscription boxes Potomac Beads puts on their website every month, and they have a treasure edition and they have a kit edition. So I'm review the treasure edition, and what you get in here is 15 to 20 different packs of curated bead, jewelry making supplies, all kinds of beading goodies. They have lots of videos on their website. I try to make tutorials when I can from some of the supplies. You get crystals, check glass, pearls, seed beads, you name it. It's very beginner friendly, and they have something called golden tickets, which they give out, and you have to look at the website for that because I'm not exactly sure how that works, but lots of fun stuff. So check out the website. I'll put a link in the description box below the video and see if it's right for you. Okay, I've taken everything out of the box and I have not seen anything yet, so we'll be doing this together. So this is called the Petal Palette Treasure Box. It brings the beauty of nature's most charming blooms to your doorstep. Immerse yourself in the captivating hues of rose, lavender, and iris as you unwrap a curated collection of floral-themed beads, petals, cords, and accessories. Okay, there you go. So here is the list of everything that's inside. I'm just going to organize everything and then we'll get a look at them one by one. First we have some check glass petal beads. These are 13 by 14 millimeter, and it says they're purple iris gold, and they're so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Stunning. Love those. Next up we've got some Potomac crystal cubes, and these are 4 millimeter cubes in this beautiful rose color, rose AB. Aren't those gorgeous? And then we've got, I'm not going to take these out, this is a little 2 millimeter round bead, and this is in light tanzanite. Look how pretty they complement one another. I love those. They're so sparkly. Look really pretty with the metallic there. Next up we have these really pretty Potomac crystal rounds, and they're 4 millimeter faceted rounds. So you have the 3 millimeter, you've got those gorgeous cubes, you've got this metallic here, and look at the pretty pinch beads also. So we've got this beautiful strand of sort of a sky blue pinch bead, and look how pretty that looks. Picks up the blue and the metallic of the petals. Look how sparkly. These are so pretty. These really beautiful check glass smooth round beads. So these are like drop beads, and you've got a beautiful amethyst, sort of a light amethyst, and this is a gorgeous, I think it's called lavender spice. That's gorgeous. How pretty. Okay, next up we have a couple of really pretty green beads to go with all our pretty flower colors here. So doesn't that look nice with the rose and the lavender and the blues and that pretty petal bead over there? So we've got some 2-hole tile beads, and these are in pastel olivine. And you've got a little check glass flower cup bead. It doesn't have the size, but it looks like it's probably maybe a 6 millimeter. 5 millimeter, something like that. Anyway, it's really pretty. It's got a nice sort of green wash on it. I love that combo. Look how pretty. So flowers and leaves. Beautiful. Next up we have some Bead Tech waxed linen cord, and you've got a black, like a natural, and sort of a brownish color. So this is really beautiful. This brings in sort of the woodsy look or even beachy look to go with the flower theme. Isn't that pretty? So this, I bet they've done some beautiful things on their website. I haven't had a chance to look yet, but I think this would be so pretty to incorporate into maybe a summer bracelet or necklace. These are pretty. So these are Potomac crystal rondelles, 3 by 4 millimeter, and these are sand opal. Okay, I told you beachy, huh? I didn't even know that, but that's gorgeous. I love that together. That's beautiful, and I love that opal color. I mean, I don't know, can you see how they sparkle? They have some gorgeous crystals. So we have some Miyuki seed beads, 11 O's, and these are, I'm not going to open them, but they're white pearl Ceylon, so they look like little teeny tiny pearls. So love Miyuki seed beads. So we have some 2-hole pyramid beads. They're 12 by 12 millimeter, and these are really pretty, aren't they? So I bet this cord would look so cool, like put a cord through each hole and then put some, beads in between. That could make a really simple bracelet, and then maybe macrame the ends. I think that would be so much fun. Really pretty. Love those. Look like little stones, like little pyramid stones. Okay, last two items. We have a 5mm check glass bead, and this is like a fire polish bead. And this is, I don't know the color on it, but it's gorgeous. It's got like sort of a crystally gray, maybe with a vitriol kind of finish. I love these. I love a 5mm bead. And then here we have some Bead Tech bead trays, which I love bead trays. I use them all the time. All right, so here you go. Here's Potomac Bead's Best Bead Box petal palette for August 2023. Like I said, I love the idea of making a bracelet using these and the wax linen cord. I hope to have some tutorials or at least some finished pieces coming up. You know, I'm a little bit behind, as I said, and I will be for a little bit, but you know, I'm coming back strong. All right, so I'll put a link in the description box below the video to their website and to the Bead Boxes page. So I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.